Fáilteas Jack, welcome into my book nook in London. My name is Mary Ellen and this is the Hiberno English word of the day. And we're still on L, and this one, even saying it out loud just makes me roar laughing. Gaire ásard, as we'd say in Gaeilge, laugh out loud. So the L word today is LAMBbase-te. LAMBbase-te. I lambaste you with a box. So it basically means I'll knock you down. Lambaste you. It's just brilliant. I absolutely love it. And in here, you could also use it to say that somebody got a great lambasting. So actually, oh my God, he went up to the teacher there and he got a great lambasting. Or if you don't do what you're told, the teacher, the moonshore would lambaste you.
I also like to think you could use lambaste in the positive to lambaste negative thoughts out of your mind.
Have you heard that one? Let me know. Gromore.